So, welcome back to Worth the Effort Woodworking. Today I'm at the Texas Woodworking Festival in Austn, Texas, something that they're doing the last week in August this year. And I just thought y'all might be interested in coming out and checking out all they got. I've taken one walkthrough so far, and we have a lot of our area's high-end furniture makers, a few people selling some stuff, some tool vendors, both new and used, plus just a lot of other interesting stuff going along. So real quickly, how about a quick montage walking through this place?
Austn. I am co-owner of Bad Axe Toolworks. I'm here with my crew at Texas Woodworking Festival. I wanted to showcase one of our bayonet saws. This is our 14-inch carcass saw. It's filed 14 PPI hybrid, and this is the most versatile saw on our lineup. If you're looking for a great overall saw, it does dovetails, carcasses, dados, small tenons. And this has been the hottest item at the show for us. Thank you for coming out.
Hi, my name is Philip Morley. I'm here at the Texas Woodworking Festival. I'm here to promote myself and also Austn School of Furniture. I wanted to show a class that's coming up in October. So this is a small record console class. We're going to learn timbre. We're also going to do solid wood construction. We're going to do house, mortise, and tenons. But a ton of information is going to be packed into this. This will be a 7-day class. I'm also teaching pretty much all over America. So go to my website, you can check out the classes that are coming up this year and next. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Brandon Birdahl with Birdahl Sawmill. We're here at the Texas Woodworking Festival talking to customers and clients. Here's some things we have. You know what spalting is? This is where the decay process of the wood starts in this slab. Makes a really nice colored pattern, different colors, and it's really beautiful in furniture. So if you're in the area, come by and see us. We'll be here the rest of the day. Thanks.
All right, so welcome guys. Andy Rawls here. We're at the Texas Woodworking Festival. This is my booth. I'm here to promote my business. We're building custom furniture out of Boerne, Texas. Also making YouTube videos. I've got some merch here. I'm selling, just having a lot of fun meeting people, talking to people. They've done a great job putting this show on. A lot of great woodworkers here and just good old community.
Check out this bench he put together.
Yes, so
I really like how he incorporated that one little curve right there. I think that one little element brings everything out. Cool, I like it.
Hey guys, I'm Jason with Texas Heritage Woodworks. We make all kinds of accessories for woodworkers in your shop, whether you're a hand tool woodworker or a power tool woodworker, it doesn't matter. Anything from like our leather block plane holders, all kinds of workshop organization tools. We're real big on that. Tool rolls out of heavy wax canvas to keep all your tools safe. One thing we really like doing is using copper rivets everywhere to reinforce our stress points. Rivets are a whole lot of fun. They take a lot of work, but they add a little touch of class to everything that we make, and they really make the products last a lot longer as well. I hope you guys get a chance to check out our stuff. I just lost my train of thought.
There you go.
But that's all right.
Hi, my name is Mike Roberts. I'm here representing the Texas Furniture Maker Show. The Texas Furniture Maker Show is in Kerrville, Texas every fall. This year it runs from November 2nd to December 15th. The gallery there will be artfully displaying 40 to 50 pieces of custom furniture. For your viewing pleasure, we're trying to invite people to come see the show, enjoy the furniture. It's free. The gallery's open Tuesday to Saturday, and it's at the Kerr Arts and Cultural Center.
Hey, my name is Johnny Trombukas. I specialize in kumigo woodworking, which is a type of Japanese woodworking where you assemble different pieces with very precise angles to make different geometric patterns. And I have a few examples of that here. And this is a starter kit that I've developed that has different jigs, pieces, and a set of instructions. that teach you how to make the Austn pattern, which is the most popular pattern in Japan. Very visually interesting and complicated, but very simple once it's broken down, especially in the kit.
Hi, I'm Sean from Shaver Tools. I'm a product lead, and today I want to show you Trace. Trace is a physical frame where you draw whatever you want. Let's just say a smiley face. And then with that drawing, we have a phone app where we can point the phone at the trace and take a picture, and it'll generate a vector file of that drawing. And that vector file can be used on any digital fabrication tool, vinyl cutters, CNC machines, plasma cutters, and also Origin, our power tool. So I can save that SVG file out and import it into any software. I'm just gonna go ahead and save it to my files as smiley face. It'll save, and now we can go over to the tool here. And I can go to the design portion using Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi might have turned off. Here we go. So now we have this file. I can click and download it, and everything that came out of that will be right on the tool. So I can zoom in, I can rotate this 90 degrees, or negative 90, and I can place that smiley face anywhere I like and start engraving it instantly with Origin. You can use CNCs, laser cutters, any digital fabrication tool. So Trace really just takes that drawing and splits it up into a vector file, keeping the scale that you drew it at and also undistorting the image with the frame that we have.
Quick question. I used to do stuff like this with Live Trace and Illustrator and stuff like that, where you had to go back and manipulate all the key things to get something smooth enough to actually work it. It was a nightmare. Yeah. Is this still slightly editable when you do that?
So in the app we have here, we have a couple small features. So one of the ones is we can smooth it out and start getting rid of those jagged edges. If you need to do more vector editing, you can just export this straight into Illustrator or bring it into whatever your favorite vector file is, clean that up, get it over your tool.
Sounds cool.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jesse from Shine Shop Woodworks. I'm located in Austin, Texas, and I make custom furniture. And these are my pieces.
I wanted to just show you this. Check out what he did with these face fronts. From the top to bottom, taking a single board, he book matched either side so that it's cool up front, but when you step back, look at how the balance comes out. That is just cool. Top to bottom, one board, book matched side to side instead of up and down.
And even the end grain on the tops is book matched in either direction too.
See that? I did not notice that.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Thank you.
Well done.
Appreciate it.
Hi, this is Jay from J-Tech Photonics. We sell laser kits and laser upgrades for CNC machines and 3D printers. We have different various models from 14 watts to 40 watts, and we even sell them for 48 different CNC machines, including the 150 CNC that you see in the back. We've been around for 13 years. We've been leaders in this industry, so come by and check us out.
Hi, I'm Jess Porton at Bar Specialty Tools, a small family business in Boise, Idaho. We make handcrafted woodworking tools out of very strong steel, holds an edge great. All of our products are hand forged by me and my dad and a couple others. They're heat treated and finished to be razor sharp coming out of the box, so you don't have to do any maintenance on them right away. And in my opinion, we have the best timber frame chisel in the game right now, which is down these two guys right here, our most popular chisel. And yeah, great opportunity if you can get one.
I have used their Scorps. Pretty good.
Hi, my name is Michael Oldham. I'm with Oldham Woodworks, and I'm primarily a tool maker. I do make some home goods, but usually These are my passion projects. So down here you can see some of my marking knives that I make. Eventually there'll be some other tools that I'll add into the lineup, but I'm having too much fun making these right now. So you can find me on Instagram at Oldham Woodworks or Facebook at Oldham Woodworks as well. So if you have any requests or if you'd like any kind of custom work done, if as time allows, please do reach out. I would love to make something for you.
Hi, I'm Dwayne Seaver with the Real Milk Paint Company, founder and creator of the Real Milk Paint products. We carry a whole different bunch of different product lines, from waxes to finishes to milk paint. One of the things I'd like to introduce to you is our cutting board oil, and this is a natural oil replacement for I've said this too many times this weekend, but for mineral oil. So this is an all-natural, safe product that you can use to coat your cutting boards and all of your countertops. So thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Natalie. I'm with Rubio Monocoat USA. Oil Plus 2C is our flagship product. It's a hard wax oil and it's a true monocoat, so it colors and protects in one coat. Application is very simple. You just buff it on with a white applicator pad and let it sit for a few minutes and then wipe it all off, and it cures completely in 5 days. We offer 55 colors. Maintenance is super easy, as well as repairs.
Hi, my name is Eric. I'm out of East Texas with a company called Signet Slabs. We deal with premium slabs from cedar to black walnut. Now these are our smaller pieces here at the event, but we specialize in all types of different species here in East Texas. So right now we're here in Austin, Texas. What we're basically doing is networking, letting people know that we ship nationwide, and we provide premium slabs that are fully vacuum kiln dried, and they are planed on both sides. So if you're interested, please contact us and we'd be happy to supply you with whatever you need.
Hey there, I'm Austin Weeks. My dad and I, Gary, have a company, Gary Weeks and Company Furniture Makers. We mostly make this rocking chair, what we're known for. This version is an outdoor rocking chair. It's mahogany wood. You can see this slatted wood seat. Some other elements like this offset tenon here that allows the wood to expand and contract with the changes in elements outdoors. This version of the chair over here is mesquite wood. It's kind of a Texas flavored option. We spend a lot of time selecting the grain and matching the wood. You can see this symmetrical pattern here on the crest. Nice book matches on the laminated back splats. Of course, centered grain in the seat. This is sculpted by hand and finished with hand-rubbed oil finish. We also build this dining furniture. This is a new dining chair design. This is pecan wood, nice kind of Danish leather seat. Bar stool, cherry, small desk, dovetail drawers, wood on wood, simple but elegant kind of basic style.
Very cool. I like it. Pretty good.
Yeah.
When I'm scared to bother around the door at night, I'm scared to bother around the door at night. She's got a police dog looking for a fight.
So you're talking about how we became an apprentice?
Yeah.
So through community college, I met Philip. I was one of his students, and he asked me about 6 months after I got out of the program. He was looking for somebody to jump in the shop, help him out, and I was more than happy to help on weekends. So
So it's towards the end of the event, and Texas Woodworker Festival. Festival is the right word for this event. You know, I go to a lot of these symposiums and stuff like that, where you have classes and stuff like that. What I found more here is a bunch of enthusiasts coming together and chit-chatting and stuff like that. You had some vendors out there that were taking the time to put hands-on with people, but a lot of it was just communication about possibilities, what you can do with this stuff, and a little bit more short-form education in an IRL world, I guess you could say. Hey, think of this as, you know, scrolling shorts or TikTok in real life. You would just go from booth to booth, catch little nuggets, enjoy your time out there and see what is possible. Great little event here in Austin, Texas. Hopefully they'll do it every year. Come back by next year and we can see how it is. It was put on by the Austn Furniture School, which I'll put a link down below to them, which you'll be able to catch up on with their classes and future events like this. So, as always, remember, it's always worth the effort to learn, which is all this event was about. Create and share with others. Be safe and have fun.